Hello everyone. After so much criticism from many of South Africans, it has been reported that the US ambassador to South Africa apologized unreservedly about utterances regarding weapons loaded onto Russian ship in Simonstown. The US ambassador in South Africa has accused the government of South Africa of selling weapons to the Russian Federation, which is currently fighting with Ukraine. The senior leader of the EFF, Dr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, reacted to the apology of Rubin and took it to his timeline and wrote, "This guy must be recalled. This is no simple or light matter to apologize about. It had potential to drag us into a military confrontation with NATO. He must be fired with immediate effect." People couldn't agree with Mbuyiseni, and one commented and said, "People investments have suffered great losses. He cannot be treated like another loose cannon. His words have caused damage to the country and its sovereignty." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.